Hi, hello, dear students. Hope you are all doing well. Yes, welcome to Race Academy, Bangalore. Now, in this short video, we are going to discuss about JEE Mains April 8th morning session. 3 selective questions from physical chemistry and one is from inorganic chemistry coordination compounds. We are going to see. Okay, let us see the first question, that is an octahedral complex COCl3NH3 upon reaction with the excess of AgNO3 solution given 2 moles of AgCl. Consider the oxidation state of cobalt in the complex is X, then the value of X plus N is how much? See, on seeing this question, dear students, you all heard about the coordinate complexes, coordinate compounds. Actually, the cobalt complexes, they will give the white precipitate when they treated with the excess of AgNO3. Here they are given 2 moles of AgCl is formed. It means if you don't know about cobalt along with how many ammonia ligands and what is the number of chlorines, that can be easily obtained when you identify 2 moles of AgCl. What do you mean by 2 moles of AgCl obtained in the reaction is there are 2 chlorides are present in the ionization sphere. So 2 are present outside, 1 is present inside, means to make it an octahedral complex, the number of ammonia ligands are 5. That means CONH3 5 times Cl2. This is said to be treated with excess of AgNO3. Excess of AgNO3, that is giving 2 moles of AgCl. The rest one is nothing but the nitrates will be replaced with chlorides will be replaced with nitrates. That is CONH3 5 times ClNO3 twice. Now we understand what is the number of ammonia ligands from this equation. This is the 5, that we can say it is N value is 5. Now what is the N value? N value is out of 6 coordination number, 5 coordination, but means 5 valencies are satisfied, secondary valencies are satisfied by ammonia ligands and 1 is satisfied by chloride. Okay. Now let us see the question. That means consider the oxidation state of cobalt in this complex is X, then the value of X plus N is how much? We are very clear about this. After finding this, whatever the number of chlorides present outside, ammonia is anyway, it is a neutral ligand. Because of chlorides only, cobalt exhibits +3 oxidation state. How many chlorides are there? That means if you consider oxidation state of cobalt is X, plus number of ammoniums are 5 into 0. Why? Because they are neutral ligands, plus the number of chlorides are 3 into every chloride oxidation state contribution is -1, that is equals to 0. That means it is X minus 3 is equals to 0, X is equals to +3. Therefore, as per the question, what is the value of X plus N? X plus N is equals to 3 plus 5, that is equals to 8. So 8 is the right answer for this integer type of question asked from coordinate compounds or complex compound chapter, second year syllabus we have. Let us take down. Okay. Next, moving on to the next one, second question. This is over. An hypothetical electromagnetic wave is shown below. This was shown like this. The crust and trough and all shown. But here the distance, here maximum amplitude to here, whatever the x-axis, this is there. This is called crust. This is called trough. Now one portion given the value, this distance is 1.5 picometers, means it is easy to understand the lambda. from this. Now the question is, the frequency of wave is given x into 10 power 19, then what is x? Before finding frequency, we should know what is the wavelength. Wavelength definition is what? Wavelength is nothing but the distance between two successive crests or troughs is called as wavelength. Now this portion distance 1.5 given, like that we have this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, a total of 4 portions. If you just add multiply this 1.5, then you will get lambda. So therefore what is the lambda from the picture is 4 into this part, that is 1.5 picometers. So 4 into 1.5 will come 6. 6 into 1 picometer is equals to 10 to the power of minus 12 meters. Keep it in mind. Now coming to the point, whenever you want to find the frequency, nu is equals to c by lambda is the formula. C is the velocity, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, divided by lambda value already we have calculated, 6 into 10 power minus 12 meter per second. Okay, now if you simplify it, 3 by 6 is 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of, this is 12 plus 8 is 20 second inverse. So this will be 20. Still if you write this is 0.5, 1 by 2 is 0.5, that is 0.5 and 10 to the power of 20 second inverse, that will become 5 into 10 to the power of 19 second inverse. Heads. Second inverse means heads. You can also write as heads. Now if you compare this one with whatever they are given, x into 10 to the power of 19, what is the x value is? X value is 5. So 5 is the x value for this hypothetical electromagnetic wave shown from this diagram. So which is structure of atom chapter, first year syllabus. They have asked an interesting question in JEE Mains 2024 April 8th morning session. They have asked interesting questions only. We are going to select now. This is the second question. Take down. Okay, let us see the third one and last one in this session, that is solution colligative property based question. Colligative property based question, that means let us see how the question asked. A solution containing 10 grams of an electrolyte AB2 in 100 grams of water boils at 100.52 degrees Celsius. The degree of ionization of electrolyte alpha is some question mark given, the number not given, into 10 power minus 1 given, and also molar mass 200 given for AB2, Kb value also given 0.52. So one more time, if you just observe carefully, this is nothing but boiling point related colligative property we have, that is delta TB. Delta TB. What is delta TB? Delta TB is equals to I into Kb into molality. Actually, in the I Van 't Hoff factor only, the hidden information we have, that is called degree of ionization. Now, if you just carefully observe what is AB2, AB2 is the type of salt. We can assume A2 plus and 2B minus, like this. It means it gives there are around 3 particles in the ionization. We can understand. Now at the same time, if you just find what is I plus n minus 1 into alpha, that will become 1 plus n is 3, 3 minus 1 into alpha, it will become 1 plus 2 alpha. Now you can substitute 1 plus 2 alpha in place of I, and delta TB, which is already given in the problem, is 100.52. This 100.52 is boiling point of this solution, but water boiling point is 100. Then 100.52 minus 100 degrees Celsius is 0.52 degrees Celsius is delta TB. This is solution boiling point minus solvent boiling point is delta TB. Now what we want? Kb. Kb already provided, we have in the question 0.52. Molality we have to calculate. What is molality? Is weight of solute. AB to weight 10 grams given by its molar mass given in the question is 200. 10 by 200 into 1000 by weight of solvent. Solvent here is water mass 100 grams given. So you will write 100 grams. Then if you cancel it, yes, 1 by 2 is there. This is 0.5. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Let it be. Now we will substitute here all these things. How it will come, we'll check. Delta TV answer we have, that is 0.52. That is I value 1 plus 2 alpha. KB answer we have 0.52. Molality answer we got 0.5. Molality answer is 0.5. So 0.5 to 0.52 cancels. One time cancels. That means it is 1 is equals to 1 plus 2 alpha into 0.5. You can write it as 1 by 2. So it becomes this side. Then 2 is equals to 1 plus 2 alpha. What is 2 alpha? 2 alpha is equals to 1. Alpha, again, alpha is equals to how much? 1 by 2. Alpha is equals to 1 by 2. So actually what is 1 by 2? That is nothing but 0.5. Again we can write that 0.5. We can also write it as 5 into 10 power minus 1. So if you compare that one with the 10 power minus 1 powers here, they are given blank into 10 power minus 1 in the question. That means what is the blank integer here is 5. So 5 is the answer for this question. That means here after finding the answer degree of ionization alpha, we have to just compare with whatever the 10 powers given. 10 powers gone means remaining number is an integer number what we have required to give in the answer as an answer. Let us take it down. I hope you understand these 3 questions from JEE mains integer type of questions. 8th April morning session what we have discussed in this one. So next coming videos we are going to just discuss some other interesting questions asked in JEE mains 2024. Until have a nice day. Do well in the coming exams. Thank you.